A soup for bugs. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic, a soup for bugs. Bunny, that is. Yes, he will enjoy this incredible carrot soup. Hopefully you will as well. It is so simple to recreate. We're at stovetop. I have my soup pot. Into the soup pot, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. As soon as the coconut oil melts, we're adding 1/2 of a Vidalia onion, finely chopped. Now we're gonna add about 2 inches of ginger. Then I peeled and chopped 8 organic carrots. If you want a thicker soup, maybe add 2 or 3 additional carrots. Carrots, onions, ginger are in the pot. Place the cover on it, let it just get kind of soft there for about 3 minutes. Cover comes off. We're gonna add 8 cups of a pure vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock, you can use water, but I think the vegetable stock gives this soup a beautiful flavor profile. We bring the soup to a boil, then we reduce to simmer and we cook for 15 minutes. After the soup has cooked for 15 minutes, we're gonna bring it to a workstation. I take an immersion blender. I'm gonna puree the soup. You can also do this step with a blender, but if you do, just be careful. You're dealing with a very hot liquid. Once our carrot soup is pureed, we're taking a spoon, little taste test, adjust with some kosher salt, and now the final ingredient. How about a cup of orange juice? If you have fresh squeezed orange juice, it's gonna take the flavor profile to an all new, out of this world level. We're gonna give our soup a stir, and then you're ready to serve either on soup plates or, as I've done, into attractive little mugs. How about a cup of soup? Now, in thinking of that, I wanna suggest you make this beautiful recipe, transfer it into a thermos, and you can enjoy this on your way up to the cottage. This soup travels really well. Another suggestion, why not make a batch and bring it to work? Hey everybody, I'm bringing lunch to work. I do that to Carol all the time, and she never complains. How about a gorgeous cup of vegan carrot orange soup from me to you? Cheers. That is some mug of goodness. Looking for other good things, head to weekendatthecottage.com. Please subscribe to our website. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. When you're there, subscribe to it as well. Finally, take a picture of this soup and everything else you make. Make sure you use #weekendatthecottage when you post your pics on your favorite social media networks, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Calling all rabbits and everybody else who loves carrots, I've got something delicious in this pot and in this mug. Enjoy.